In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a PDF in Microsoft Edge using a simple and intuitive online tool. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to secure your documents with ease, ensuring that only those with the right credentials can access them. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Microsoft Edge. This is the browser we'll be using throughout this tutorial. If you're new to Microsoft Edge, it's a fast, reliable browser that's seamlessly integrated with Windows 10 and 11. Once Edge is up and running, navigate to the website ilovepdf.com protect PDF. This site is a wonderful online resource that offers a range of PDF management tools that are free and easy to use. When you arrive at ilovepdf.com, you'll see a big button labelled Select PDF File. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a dialog box that lets you explore the files on your computer. Now browse through your folders and select the PDF file that you want to protect. Once you've found it, double click the file or click open and it will begin uploading to the website. After your file has uploaded, it's time to set a password. This step is crucial because it's where you'll specify the password that will protect your PDF. Choose a password that's difficult for others to guess, but easy enough for you to remember. A good password typically includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and special characters. Once you've decided on a password, type it into the appropriate field on the website. With your password set, the next step is to click the Protect PDF button. This tells the website to encrypt your document using the password you've just provided. The process typically takes just a few moments depending on the size of your PDF and your internet speed. Once the protection process is complete, the page will refresh and display a message indicating that your PDF files have been successfully protected. It's a reassuring moment knowing your document is now secure from unauthorized access. Finally, your password protected PDF file will automatically begin downloading to your computer. You'll find the file in your default download folder ready for immediate use. Make sure to keep track of where it's saved and remember the password you created, as you'll need it to open the document in the future. And there you have it, your PDF is now protected with a password. You can rest easy knowing that your sensitive information is just a bit safer in today's digital world. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy browsing.